Broccoli is considered a superfood for many good reasons. Here are 8 benefits of eating broccoli. Nutrient-rich, broccoli is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and fiber. Antioxidant power, broccoli is loaded with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, prevent oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer. Cancer prevention, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of developing certain types of cancer. Digestive health, broccoli is high in fiber, which helps promote regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and reduces the risk of colon cancer. Heart health, broccoli contains compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function, all of which can lower the risk of heart disease. Eye health, broccoli is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that can help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Bone health, broccoli is a good source of calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Weight management, broccoli is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great food for weight management. Its fiber content can help you feel full and satisfied, which may lead to fewer calories consumed overall. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is packed with nutrients and health benefits. Here are 8 reasons why broccoli is good for your body. Broccoli is a good source of fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help to promote regularity. It can also help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Broccoli is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin C, A, K, and folate. It is also a good source of calcium, iron, and potassium. 3. Broccoli is a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to inflammation and disease. 4. Broccoli may help to prevent cancer. Broccoli contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds may help to protect against the development of cancer, particularly breast, colon, and prostate cancer. 5. Broccoli may help to lower cholesterol levels. Broccoli contains soluble fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and prevents it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. 6. Broccoli may help to improve heart health. Broccoli is a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral for heart health. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Broccoli may help to improve eye health. Broccoli is a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that are important for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin help to protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 8. Broccoli is a weight loss-friendly food. Broccoli is a low-calorie food that is high in fiber. This makes it a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw, cooked, or roasted. It is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet.